I can't take you seriously right now.
Just the eye candy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Christy.
And I'm Spencer, and it is an absolutely beautiful day here in northern Utah. And we are going to take advantage and go get out on the water a little bit later. We just got Kate a new kayak, we have paddle boards, and it's one of our favorite things to do. But before we go out, we are going to fill our bellies with a wonderful hearty meal. And today we are making hot roast beef sandwiches.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Welcome back to Destination Delicious. We are here at Echo Island RV Resort. It's just outside of Park City, and there's a beautiful river running right through the park, which we've decided to set up at today for today's show. And the sound of the rushing water has me very excited to get on the water.
Yes, and it's warm. It's going to be so refreshing.
Yep.
But since we are making one of my all-time favorite sandwiches, we are switching it up today, and I am going to be the head chef, and here is going to be my handsome sous chef for today.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes.
So first we need to cut up the onion because we're going to caramelize some onions for our sandwiches.
Okay. Chef, did you bring the big knife?
Negative, Ghost Rider. The pattern is full.
How about that?
It looks fantastic.
Yeah?
Exactly what I was envisioning.
Oh, okay, great.
People watching our show, everybody probably thinks I win all the time, but that is absolutely not the case. I'm gonna put a little bit of onion down. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil down on the griddle, and then we'll put our onions to start caramelizing them. The onions are looking good. We're now gonna put down our roast beef slices. Our roast beef is from the store, pre-sliced. That's how we roll when we're camping. I'm gonna sprinkle a little whiskey burger on here to add some extra flavor.
Whiskey burger is like...
Yeah, it's like your favorite Blackstone
so
seasoning.
Good. Chef, let me check the onions for you.
Stop. I really cannot take this seriously.
Well, somebody better check them
I
before
know,
they
that's
burn.
what I just said. I turned the heat down to low on the onions because they are cooking pretty fast, and I didn't want them to get burned. We want them caramelized, but not burnt. We need to start prepping our coleslaw.
Okay. I think we're going to need a bigger bowl, Chef. Luckily, I brought one.
I'm glad you find yourself humorous. I brought a spoon. For our sandwiches, we're gonna layer roast beef and cheese. So I'm gonna put 2 roast beef slices together, and then Spencer's gonna top it with provolone cheese. All right, I think we're ready. Everything's looking good, smells great. Let's build our sandwiches.
Let's do it.
All right, so first I'm gonna get the bottom part, the bottom of the buns, and then you add the coleslaw.
Yep. On coleslaw on the bottom. Trying to keep the plate presentable, Chef. Oh,
You're doing good.
You know, as soon as I said,
yeah, you
as soon as I say that, botched it.
This is your kind of sandwich because you are always a double meat kind of guy.
All meat.
Oh,
Last
yeah.
but not least, let me hold that for you, Chef.
All right,
while you
thank
do the
you,
onions.
thank you.
May I offer a suggestion?
Absolutely.
Chef? I say we do a little post dust.
All right, let's do it. Gosh, this looks so good.
This is a beard destroyer.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's...
I'm okay with it. There's so many flavors.
And there actually is a lot of flavors, but they still complement each other really well.
Oh yeah.
The
Coolness and crunch from the
coleslaw. Yeah.
Whiskey burger it's freaking fantastic.
And that's just like, even though it says burger on the seasoning, like you can use it on so many things. It's Spencer's favorite. We use it all the time.
Anything beef, it goes on.
Thank you all so much for tuning in. We appreciate you being here. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our meals or any of the other shows.
From Nate and CJ and Todd and Betty.
Absolutely. They're all fantastic. Everyone's making delicious meals and they're perfect for summer. So until then,
go to blackstoneproducts.com. Make sure you pick up a griddle or
lots of accessories
or some spatulas. It's all there.
And until next time, we will see you down the road.
This is Destination Delicious.